Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to this new video here on Bitcoin and a little bit on the markets as well. I mean, I always say that these Bitcoin videos are kind of also a video on the current situation in the market. And I think that's also useful for all of you to know. We had some de-risking overnight. This is the 12-hour time frame. So this move right here is all since 1 o'clock in the night. In my time zone at least. But no, you can see open interest is down right here. And just in general, this was to be expected, all right? Yesterday, we also talked about that the most likely direction was still down. There's still a lot of leverage open. Still a lot of open interest open from trades ahead of the elections. So it's logical that they will de-risk and close those off before the elections, which are obviously next Tuesday. And in general, talking about the markets, I don't think there's much to trade right now. Personally, I am in a couple of shorts on Dusk right here, which is doing quite well. And Ohm, which is doing fine. There's not too much going on right now. But right now, the market circumstances, I mean, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance in combination with Bitcoin, which in my eyes is still, at least on the short term, relatively bearish, as you can see right here. I don't think there's much to trade. There's always opportunities, of course, and there will be opportunities today as well. But there's no need to do over trading, and I would stay away, at least today and tomorrow, from coins that are very correlated to Bitcoin. All right. But yeah, like I said, 4-hour time frame in my eyes, we have broken down below the trend band right here. So 4-hour time frame in my eyes is quite bearish. On the 12-hour time frame, we are still bullish, I'd say. Since we're still holding the trend band and we still have not technically broken below this level right here at 68,600, which is a 0.618 fib. But in the end, look, technically we're not gaining much from these levels either. So usually, like if Bitcoin would be bullish right now, we would certainly find more support at levels like these, right? Or we would have a little bit of a stronger reaction. We're not getting that, so that's a bit of a bearish confirmation. And for me, the fundamentals just matter most at the moment, right? And fundamentally, I think it is quite likely, also with Kamala Harris gaining in the polls, whether you believe that or not, that's beside the point. This is not bullish, right? And whether it's just hedging, whatever, it's not bullish. And then, like I said, the de-risking ahead of such a volatile event by whales is just something you can expect. So for now, I still think the most likely direction is bearish. We have a ton of support though between 68,000 and 66,400. And I also do not, like if we go to the 4-hour time frame, I don't think it's that weird to say that today on a Sunday where the order books are quite thin and the volume has dropped down quite a bit, that we will have some sort of a spike up, right? So that's also what we saw on Friday. Something like that is a possibility. But when we're talking about a general direction, I would say the general direction is still down into this level right here. Let's say, yeah, I mean, it's hard to say. But let's say into this level right here, around 67,000. I would say that's a good estimate of where we'll drop down into. Potentially lower. It depends a little bit on how the fundamentals open tomorrow, but I'll keep you updated on. But for now, something like this, and then stability is what I expect. And of course, stability with volatility, right? So spikes up and down, I do expect. I don't expect major breakouts, all right? That's what I mean with stability. But I'll keep you updated on this. If anything happens, if any interesting altcoin comes about, then I will let you know, of course. But for now, I think this is what you need to know and what's most likely for the next 24 hours at least. Those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a great Sunday and bye.